Okay, in today's video, I'm going to show you an update how I was able to grow my 5,000 naira to 35,000 naira simply doing copy and pasting. Like, is it possible? Yes, copy and pasting on 86 football. Now, I want you to watch this video to the end because I have a giveaway of 1,000 naira. So at the end of the day, you will know what it takes for you to qualify for that giveaway, a 1,000 naira recharge card. So follow me while I show you just an update. All right, so see you in the inside. Okay, guys, you're welcome. Okay, so it's your boy Six Figures. You're welcome to my Six Figures YouTube online academy. My YouTube, my Six, my okay, I'm just so excited, guys. Welcome to my Six Figures Online YouTube Academy, okay, where we share content about how to make money online. All right, and today on today's video, I want to make a quick update on 86 football. Yes, how the 2 weeks journey here has been for me. So quickly, let's dive in. Now, I want to go back home. Okay, yeah. So this is my account. You can see Igwe 7. And you can see a total unsettled amount of 33,562 naira 96 kobo. This is what I have made so far from this business. You should also add the 2,000 naira. That's around 35,000 naira. A business I started with just 5,000 naira last 2 weeks. But the minimum to start is 3,500. But before I continue, please, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your due diligence. I've done my due diligence and I felt it's worth the risk. Of course, I could afford to reach 3,500 or even 5,000 naira. But why I'm talking about risks, before I continue, quickly, let me show you something. Okay, let me show you something. Now look at here. Look at here. Talking of risks, where is it? Aha! What can you see here? This guy have invested 47,724,182 naira 91 kobo, and he's making a profit of 8,844,383,026 kobo. Talking of risks. So, all right, let's go back to the video. Okay, these are my team members too. Okay, so this is a guy I also showed. You can see his testimony. 2 weeks journey. He started with 11,000. He later topped up for 2,000, and now he has a total of 126,000. Imagine a business. A business he started with just 40 something thousand naira. Okay, so let's go back to business. Now, this is my account. Overtaking is allowed. All right, so this is it. Now look at the 2,000 naira. Now the level I am now is that every week, or every day rather, I'll be making 2,000 naira. So 2,000 times 5, that is 10,000 naira. This is an additional profit I am actually making from the people I share this business with in just 2 weeks. And right about now, I'm showing my team members how to grow their 3,500 to 20,000, 30,000 in 2 weeks' time. So if you're interested, you can just drop your comment or reach out to me and I will guide you. So what do we do here? All we do here is just copy and paste. We copy football matches. The company will tell us the matches, the club that will play. They will tell us the scores. We copy and paste. That's all. Like, seriously, that is all. If you want to do the referral aspect of it, fine. If you don't want, fine. Either way, you'll be making your money. So in 2 weeks with this company, I have made over 35,000 naira because I have withdrew my money. Let me show you. I've withdrawn my 5,000 naira. Let's come here. No, let's come to withdrawal. You see, this is the only withdrawal I've made, 5,000 naira. I've withdrawn that. So right now, I am operating on profit, people. On profit. Like, when I mean profit, I'm operating on what? On profit. And seriously, because I'm helping team member to grow, my team are also growing. All right, so let's come to affiliate. Let's come to new registration. Today, look at 15 registration as per new registration, like new registration today. Let me see this guy, Mr. D. This guy just registered just of recent, and he's yet to fund his account. This under me. Let's go back here. We have 10 new registrations, and they are yet to fund their account. So of course they are going to fund the account. All right. So that is that. So I have a training. I have a training I call the 3,500 startup business startup, where I will teach you step by step how you can start this business with just 3,500 for those that are interested, and I'll also show you what to do to get result. So if you have 3,500 to spare, if you can afford to lose 3,500, fine. I will show you how to get result within the next 2 weeks, like I am doing. Now, most of the time, people complain about referral. Look, referral is not the problem. Everybody wants to make money. The problem, you are doing it the wrong way. So I'm going to show you how to do it the right way so that you not feel rejected. All right. So this is just an update. I decided to just show you. And let me see if I can see. Okay, my team. Now you can see I have over 146 team. I'm counting. Okay. And let me also show you a bonus I've gotten. Let me come here. See, I have received 7,000 naira bonus. I've referred only 8 members, and within just these 8 members, these people I've taught them what I know. And look, overtaking is allowed. Now, the next level that I'm aiming is this 33,000 naira. Once I'm able to refer 20 people, the company will pay me 33,000 naira. If I move on to refer 50 people, the company will pay me 80,000. My target is to bring in 100 people in this business. Right now, I can see it's just 8. I have people that have referred 20, 30 already. With the principle I've shown them. So if you are looking for how to make money online, if you're a student, then trust me, this is where to start. With just 3,500, I will show you what you need to do. All right, so basically, this is just an update of how I have gone in this business 2 weeks. I have not even taken it seriously. Like the student have shown this business and I've shown them the blueprint. They are crushing it. Like seriously, they are crushing it. Let me show you, for example. Let me come here. Let me show you this guy. Look at what this guy said. 10 people already funded under me. All right. So that just it. He have placed withdrawal too. He said almost for 1 hour. But now look at, he said he just entered now. Thanks, bro. A lot of them, okay? A lot of them. So basically, that is it, guys. If you're interested, if you're a student, you're looking for how to make money from online, I will gladly show you. If you're not a student, you're looking for how to make money online with just small capital, this is right for you. Now, remember, I said I'm not a financial advisor whatsoever. This is, I see it, it's working, and I'm sharing the opportunity. But peradventure, because I said it, if I actually see any loophole or any fishy thing, I'll also let you guys know. But for now, guys, man, for me, I'm cashing out. All right. So is the risk is worth taking. 3,500. 3 things will happen to it. Is either you spend them or you save it, which at the end of the day you may end up spending it, or you can risk it in the business opportunity, expecting profit or returns. And trust me, you can try this with 3,500 and sure be guaranteed. I'm going to show you my blueprint. Before I forget, now you may ask, what happens if we lose these bets? The company guarantee our money. If they give us a prediction and it goes against us, we are going to lose the profit, but our investment is what is guaranteed. That's what the company said, and so far they have kept to their word. You can withdraw your money anytime. You can fund through USDT. You can also fund through your bank account and withdraw to your bank account. No limitation of withdrawals. Okay, just that if you're withdrawing, there's 5% charges of whatever you're going to withdraw. That's just all. All right. So that's the end of this video. If you find this video very, very helpful and you feel that you are interested, you want to give it a try with 3,500, you can chat me up and I'll put you through 3,500. But if you're not interested, don't even bother. Okay, so that is that. I feel that this is an opportunity to share with you. Okay, so thank you very much. It's still your homeboy Six Figures. And this is the end of it. So kindly drop your comment below, ask your question, and I'm doing a giveaway. I'm doing a giveaway of 1,000 naira. I'm going to pick random people in the comment section and give out a 1,000 naira recharge card. All right, so make sure you drop a comment, like, subscribe, and also share. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing the next video. Bye bye.